Guys, welcome back to another Reader's Workshop mini lesson with your reading teacher, Mr. Trainer. Today, we're going to be using a really useful strategy to help us with non-fiction text. Now, this is going to be super useful for your writing project. Surveying the text to predict the main ideas. We know that non-fiction texts have lots of different information or lots going on a page, and our job as readers is to try and sift through all of that and find the main ideas. Now, when we're surveying a text, we're just having a glance at it. We're not going in and reading everything. We're taking a step back like a bird's eye view, and we're looking at all of the different things to help us get an idea of what the page is mostly about. When we do that, we look at headings. We know that they're super important. We can look at topic sentences, the first sentences in paragraphs. They usually tell us what it's going to be about. We can use text features. We know there's lots of different things going on in a page. There's pictures, there's diagrams, there's all those sorts of things. And we can look for bold words. So today, what we're going to be doing is we're just going to take a step back and we're just going to glance over the page. We're going to survey the text to try and predict what we think the page or the section is going to be about. So here I have a page. I can see the first heading or the main heading is called Dwarf Planets and Moons. So already I'm starting to think, what is this going to be about? It's going to be about dwarf planets and moons somehow. So I'm going to keep surveying the text. I can see this picture here. It looks like a planet or something. Kind of looks like a moon. But then when I read the caption, it says Pluto is smaller than Earth's moon. So already I can tell that this part, or maybe one of the main ideas, is going to be about Pluto. And now I know, I've got some schema. I know that Pluto is a dwarf planet. So that links to the main heading. So maybe it's going to be about how Pluto is a dwarf planet. I'm going to go over to this section here. I can see a rocket here. Or maybe they sent a rocket to Pluto to study it. I'm thinking this first part of the text might be about how Pluto is really small because it talks about smaller than Earth's moon, and that's why it is a dwarf planet. Okay, I can see another heading over here, and it says Ceres. Maybe this part here is about something called Ceres. Maybe Ceres is a dwarf planet. I'm going to read the first sentence, the topic sentence. Ceres is currently the only dwarf planet that is not a Pluto. So this part here is about a dwarf planet called Ceres. Okay, this next page here, I'm going to scan the text. There's lots of headings on this one here. There's also a diagram. Okay, so this diagram here has the sun, planet Neptune. This might be our solar system. And it has an arrow pointing here to the Kuiper belt. Maybe that is telling us something important. I'm going to keep going though. Some headings, Pluto, there's that word Pluto again. So we know that's a dwarf planet. Haumea, maybe that's another dwarf planet. Make down the bottom, and Eris. So thinking about what the main heading was, dwarf planets and moons. And over here it has a diagram. Maybe this page is about how Pluto, Haumea, Make, and Eris are dwarf planets, and they are in the Kuiper belt. Okay, so that is how you survey the text to predict or maybe get an idea of what the section or page is mostly about. So have a go at doing that. Take a screenshot or a photo of the page or the section you're reading. Survey the text using all of the different things going on to maybe predict what you think the text is going to be about.